Hi, I am Zorica Pranjic, born Ivanovic. I'm a single mom since 2001 of 3 wonderful sons. My parents are Croats from Bosnia. My father unfortunately passed away in 2019. I've been living almost all my life in Germany near Stuttgart. I trained as a paralegal, was an executive secretary for many years, and now I've been working at Stuttgart Airport as an aviation security assistant for 6 years. Until recently, I also worked there for 2 years as an operational team leader. However, this position is a thankless position and I've learned a lot. You can do your best and no one thanks you. I'm no longer practicing this position, which is very convenient for me in terms of time, as I want to focus more on passive and still shape my life differently. Since May 2020, I've learned about ONPASSIVE through a then co-worker and now colleague. I'm more than grateful. I wasn't really looking for a new field of activity because I already had very little time, sometimes not even to sleep in. I get up at 2 a.m. in the middle of the night to get ready for work and start working at 4 a.m. I also have a part-time job on top of that, then still found myself kind of on passive. I've often wished inside to finally find a way to make money even while sleeping. I always ask myself, is this my life? Is this it already with development and realization of my goals? Am I destined to live like this until retire and then run into financial difficulties? One can speak partly of poverty of the pensioners. I'm also supposed to live like this later on. I don't want to complain. Currently I earn above average as an employee, but that is not my goal and my life. I see myself somewhere else. I have always asked myself, what is my task in this life? What else will it lead me to? What security can I leave my children someday? When I understood that ONPASSIVE offers me all that I actually want and ask for in my inner desires, I couldn't believe my luck. I liked the idea that finally a company was working for me instead of me working for them. With the help of technology and artificial intelligence, the best business on this globe invite me to just say yes to it? I did it immediately because I felt this impulse. I knew it was mine. I have to be part of it. My heart was sending me signals. I can't describe it. I think that's how all founders feel at some point, who get involved with an ONPASSIVE and actually understand and realize what's really coming. This change to a better world. We are coming into a new world. It's so huge for humanity, a revolution on many levels, to finally do what we love, to push ONPASSIVE on and do something more and more worth living for, to do great things and change important things for our lives, for our family, for humanity, to finally think concretely about what I want from life and what I can promote and create when money is not an issue. ONPASSIVE gives us the power to actually make a difference, each one of us. Our CEO, Ash Mufareh, is an integer to me. That is the greatest compliment in my eyes that you can give a person. Find your own meaning of that word. To me, it means. He is honorable, morally sound, correct, incorruptible, upright, honest, strong in character, reputable, clearly focused and loyal. In other words, someone who thinks, says and acts the same. I believe in Ash and in the good in people because he's unique with what he does for all of us, not only for the women. I'm fired up, a person with a big heart. Thank you on behalf of humanity.